So these are the pile of questions, and right now they are writing down their punishment for karma. So each round, you guys are gonna go in and take a question. If you get it wrong, you do a punishment with those. If you don't, then you just keep playing the game. So with the question that you picked, you have to answer it. If you get it wrong, then you have to do a punishment.
People need differing amounts of protein in their diet. Yes.
The use of drugs during pregnancy should stop after 12 weeks, or it is risk at any point. Well, it is a risk at any point.
It can be dangerous to eat raw cookie dough because of raw eggs.
Marijuana in small amounts is legal in the United States. Not in all states.
True or false?
As false.
Okay, because you got the question right, you can choose between a punishment or a question.
Okay. A question.
I put jalapenos on half. You heard that, Yana?
Only half you want?
It's fine. I'll put syrup or pepper.
Oops. How old must one be to purchase cigarettes? 18.
Most drug users started through friends.
Alcohol is a stimulant, a depressant, only a problem for some people. I would go with, not A. I would go with B, but also it's only a problem for some people. Because if you know how to handle yourself and you know your limits, you can drink.
So what's the
If
answer?
you're over 21.
What's the answer?
B.
Calorie is a unit to measure what? Energy.
Okay, so now you have to pick up a punishment and
man.
do it. Oh darn.
Let's see.
Lunges.
Oh no.
You have to do this punishment for about 10 seconds. All right.